Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And guys, you guys left me so much support on the previous video on how you can make money playing Xbox and PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, or whatever gaming console you work on or play on. So I thought I'd make a follow-up video going a little more in depth on the certain strategies you can use to actually increase your revenue stream from playing these games and live streaming and making content on the internet. Guys, before the video starts and I get into all this information, guys, go check out the Life Made Easy podcast YouTube channel. That's linked in the description down below if you guys love technology and gaming content and stuff like that. Every person who subscribes will be receiving a shout out. So go over there, subscribe, and give it a listen, and just comment down below that you watched it. Leave me a comment, and I'll give you guys all shout outs. So now let's get into the video. So guys, live streaming is a very, very important and useful tool to grow your following on the internet. So in the previous video, I discussed how to gain a following, how to be consistent. Guys, you want to create a good upload schedule. If you're on Twitch or if you're on YouTube, create a nice consistent schedule, letting your viewers know when you are live streaming or when you are uploading gaming content. Now, I think live streaming is a little more important than just video uploads, because when you're live streaming, it allows everyone to know that you're live, and it allows you to be more interactive with your viewers. When you're more interactive with your viewers, then you can start building relationships with your viewers. And once you gain their respect and your viewers start appreciating your content more and gaining more value from it, and feel like it's like a one-on-one interaction, then the donations start coming in. And I saw this recently when I was watching certain live streams with the people in the chat donating via Super Chat. That's a great way to make money on YouTube. Super Chat just in the comments section of the live stream or the chat. And then they also do super stickers as well. And now YouTube has a new, well, it's not really new, but the membership program where you can become a member and you can sponsor channels, basically give them a monthly amount of money so that they can create better content in the future. Like, I have a membership down below. I mean, I don't have any members yet, but that's one way you can earn money on YouTube. And Twitch does a similar thing with this, where you can, I think it's subscribers on Twitch, and that's also a monthly fee to help support your creators. So it's all about being consistent. It's all about putting out the right content, playing a game you like especially, and interacting with your audience. So whenever you get someone that ends up in your chat, make sure you give them the recognition they deserve. Thank them for stopping by your live stream and supporting your channel, whether that be Twitch, Mixer, or YouTube. So as I mentioned earlier, Super Chat, Super Stickers, subscribers, memberships, those all help you grow and gain money by live streaming and just making videos in general. Another way you can do it is just merchandise. If you can create some merchandise on Teespring or whatever, you link that in the description of your live stream, and you can get some loyal followers. Maybe they'll go over and buy some of your merchandise if they like your channel enough. I mean, that's kind of difficult for someone to buy your merchandise, but it's always an option and it's always there. You guys, you can also gain sponsorships from companies. I see this all the time where companies will reach out to live streamers and offer a certain amount of money in return for a shout out or just promotion via their live streams. Because when you're live streaming for hours on end, it's very beneficial to companies to have their logo or whatever in the description or on the live stream itself, and that gains a lot of promotion for that said company. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you guys appreciated all this knowledge and stuff like that, make sure to leave a like. Let's shoot for 50 likes on this video. I know we can get there. And comment down below if you have any questions about this kind of stuff. I'd be happy to answer all of them.